Good morning, Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm out here today. I'm at my new listing. We're super excited, just officially hitting the market today. I'll be doing open house here today from 10 to 12, of course. But while I'm here, I'm gonna walk you through this amazing property. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on a corner lot. We are in the community of Westfield Estates, which is a non-HOA community. So yep, you're hearing me right. You get a 3-car garage, RV gate, and no HOA. So pretty good deal there. This is all your neighbors right here. This beautiful home was just listed at only $499,000. It features a back lot of 8,263. There have been a ton of upgrades to this property, including new windows. This home is also energy efficient, so lots of upgrades done here, lots of things you're not gonna have to do when you purchase this home from Angela Dancero. It's just a pretty nice property. We have some curb appeal out here with the trees, which is super cool. The homeowners also went in and put some sprinkler systems in and did some landscaping in the front and backyard. And here we are. Okay, so again, I am at 7514 West Brown Street in Peoria, Arizona. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,213 on the square footage. And as you can see, this home just screams cozy, character, move-in ready, all of the above. There's some homes that you sell or you help clients purchase and you just know it's a wonderful home. It has a great aura to it. This is one of those properties. I mean, I'm not sure if you can tell the ceiling height in here, but I'm gonna try to come on down. It's pretty nice cathedral type ceilings in the family room. And these fans, check this out guys, stainless steel fans. They did replace most of the lighting and the fans are pretty nice and modernized. Let's check out these new windows right here. As you can see, they are double pane. They have some pretty nice window coverings. So yeah, you can buy this house, clean it up and move on in. Move all your stuff into your new home out here in Peoria, Arizona. We're gonna go into the kitchen next. So you can get into the kitchen this way, or you can come this way. So it's pretty open, pretty flowy. This is a luxury vinyl flooring. This flooring is throughout the house. So upstairs, downstairs, hallways, everywhere, you're gonna see this gorgeous flooring. In the bathrooms, they did go with a pretty floor tile, which I'll show you in a minute. And then the stairs, they do have carpet on the stairs, but everything else is that luxury vinyl, so it's super pretty. And check out this backsplash over here. It's kind of like a hexagon feel. Oh yeah, KitchenAid appliances. Wonderful, wonderful upgrades, and have my little upgrade sheet right here. Nice cooktop, and it's vented right there. My favorite, you have the gorgeous farm style stainless sink. And boom, if you do the dishes, you get to check out the backyard. Keep an eye on your friends and family out there. They did do the backsplash all the way up, which is such a nice finish. And they even did the window casing, which is super cool. So a lot of cabinets in here, a lot of pullouts. So yeah, you don't even need a dining room table. I mean, if you want to put some chairs right here, could. It's a nice little breakfast nook, and then you have this large room. So this is a great family room. You could set up as a formal dining, or just a sitting room, a game room. There's so many options. And you have the super size slider right here. So you have views of your beautiful backyard. So on the first floor, they converted this space into an office. As you can see, it does have a closet, so it's technically a bedroom. I did have one of the neighbors through. They said this wall right here was closed up on theirs, and they had a door over here. So I'm sure you could get creative if you needed that fourth bedroom to actually be a fourth bedroom. And right here, we have a large doggy door. That's the side yard. So again, some of that pool equipment's been replaced, been redone, which is amazing. And right here we have the laundry on the first floor. Really nice tile right here. And you do have a lot of cabinet space to do your laundry and storage. And you come right here and you have a full bathroom. So first floor, you got this gorgeous tile. You have a really pretty sink. Countertops are super nice. And they went ahead and tiled the whole shower on the first floor. Everything's been pretty much loved in this property. Not too much you're gonna have to do. Homeowners did a great job. So we're gonna walk this way so you get the feel of it. And then you have access to this front room. So it's pretty open, feels pretty spacious. And they have this set up as their formal dining right here. But again, you could be creative, make this an office space, make it another sitting area, or keep it as a formal dining. However you need to have the space work is what you'd want to do. And you have this grand staircase. Oh, tall ceilings. We're going to head on up here. Whenever you get to the top, you're always like, which way do I go? Which way do I go? So we are going to head to the left. And again, that gorgeous flooring throughout. Secondary bedrooms are great size, as you can see. And look how cute. There's some pillows on there. You have a custom seating area right here, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, spacing in this property is pretty good. The rooms are all a good size. I like that they've already done the ceiling fans and the flooring and the bathroom and of course the kitchen. That's where a lot of the money goes, and the kitchen and bathrooms can cost quite a bit to get done. So yeah, they have this room set up pretty nicely, and another window seat. Great spacing. I mean, they have a queen size bed in here, and there's plenty of room on both sides. Does not feel squishy at all. Another one of their beautifully done bathrooms. And they have a stand-up shower right here. All tile, new glass. Some more closet space. And again, tall ceilings in this master bedroom. Wonderful. So this is a pretty good size room. They have a king bed in here, and I mean, 2 large bureaus. We have a lot of space, and the ceiling height is amazing. Such a cute setup. So this is super fun, super awesome right here. Look at this tub, so cute. So nothing says relaxation like a custom tub area. It's fabulous high ceilings. This property has a ton of character. Again, that nice tile throughout, double sinks right here. And the closet is wonderfully sized. Sometimes you come into these properties and the closet space is a little smaller. Well, this property has great storage. We have closet space up here, linen closets placed everywhere. 3-car garage. I mean, a 3-car garage in Arizona, most people know, are definitely a must. By the time you park 2 cars in there, you have very little space left for any kind of storage, or if you need to have bikes in there or anything. You can't really put it in with a 2-car. It's kind of difficult if you want to park your car in the garage. So we're gonna head this way out to the backyard. So this lot is just over 8,000 square feet. So it's a pretty good lot. And what's also nice about it is it's on a corner. So that is pretty spectacular. Hold on, I gotta learn how to open the door. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so next we're gonna head on out. We're gonna check out this amazing backyard. All right, so here we go. So what's cool about this backyard is you have one neighbor and that neighbor's way over there. You're on the corner. You have a lot of space to do what you like. This home does feature a hot tub and a pool and a good-sized patio. And those curtains that you're seeing on that patio completely can enclose that patio for privacy. Probably help with the heat, I would think. The pool right now is in the process of getting cleaned. It should be back to shiny blue by this evening, I'm thinking. Just an FYI. And we have all this grass over here. So you still get a good sized lot with a pool, which is kind of hard to do. And you have that double RV gate right there. And again, this is a non-HOA home, so you can do a lot with this right here. Park things probably that you might not be able to normally park in a house out here in Arizona that has an HOA. So that's always a plus, and there's no extra fee monthly when you go non-HOA, which is also a big plus. So we're gonna head back in and circle through the first floor one more time. I didn't look at the temperature today, but I would definitely say it's hot. All right, so if this looks like it could be the home for you, and you'd like to see it, but you can't make it by before I finish this open house, that's okay. My info will be below. Feel free to reach out to schedule a personal consultation or viewing of this home. Angela Dancero, always here to help.